Thinking about ordering from Getcopperhead.com? Let's take a quick look at whether it's a legit online shop or something you should avoid. Quick disclaimer, this video is based on publicly available research and personal opinion. So, what is Getcopperhead.com? It's an online store claiming to sell protective copper infused gear like masks, apparel, and accessories. The site looks professional, accepts secure payments, and has a valid SSL certificate. Good signs for safety. Scam Advisor also labels it as safe and the domain has been registered for a long time, which usually means it's not brand new or fly by night. But now the red flags. The website's owner hide their identity through whois privacy, which isn't illegal but often used by sketchy sites. It has very low visitor traffic and uses a registrar known to host scammers. Worst of all, some negative reviews are floating around online. Though not on big platforms like Trustpilot or Reddit, it makes it harder to verify the full story. For the final verdict, GetCopperhead.com looks like legit on the surface, but the hidden ownership and scattered negative feedback raise enough concern to pause before purchasing. If you still want to try it, use a payment method that offers buyer protection just in case. Thanks for watching. If you've bought from GetCopperhead.com, drop your experience in the comments. Stay safe online and don't forget to like and subscribe for more scam checks.